In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through the complete process of installing Google Camera on any Android device. Start by opening your preferred web browser. I'm using Chrome for this demonstration. In the search bar, type Google Camera APK file and press search. From the results, open a trusted and reputable website such as CyanogenMod, which is widely known for safe and reliable Google Cam downloads. Tap on the first link provided. Once the page opens, scroll down until you find the download button for the latest Gcam version. Look through the available options and select the version that is best suited for your device model or processor. After choosing the correct version, tap Download and wait for the file to finish downloading. When the download is complete, open the APK file using your device's Files or File Manager app. Your phone may display a warning asking for permission to install apps from unknown sources. If this happens, simply enable the Install from Unknown Sources option for your browser or file manager. Then return and tap Install to begin installing Gcam. Once the installation is complete, the Google Camera app will be successfully installed on your Android device. And that's it. You now have Google Camera installed and ready to use on your Android device. Enjoy exploring its powerful photography features. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.